Hello little ones, welcome to our fun learning video today. We're going to learn about amazing animals that don't have backbones, known as invertebrates. Let's start our adventure. First, we will meet the butterfly. Butterflies are pretty insects with colourful wings. They change from a caterpillar into a beautiful butterfly, a process called metamorphosis. Second, we will see the ant. Ants are tiny insects known for living together in big groups called colonies. They have more than 12,500 type species, most of which live in tropical areas. Third, we will learn about the bee. Bees are honey-making insects that live together and can be found all over the world. They have special wings and a special mouth for collecting nectar. Fourth, we will explore the underwater world and meet the starfish. Starfish are invertebrate animals that belong to the Echinodermata phylum and Asteroidea class. Starfish have radial symmetry and usually have 5 or more arms. Fifth, we will look at the jellyfish. Jellyfish are a type of sea animal without a backbone that belongs to the Cnidaria phylum. Jellyfish have radial symmetry and usually have 5 or more arms. Lastly, we will learn about the spider. Spiders are a type of arthropod animal with 2 body segments, 4 pairs of legs, no wings, and no chewing mouth. That's some interesting invertebrate animals. Hope you enjoy learning about them. See you in our next educational video.